Hey guys, so today is the start of my vlog. We are going to New York. Why is this camera so wobbly right now? We are going to New York for my friend's wedding, or my husband's best friend's wedding, and I am doing the makeup. So we are leaving in about 30 minutes. So I just wanted to show you guys my outfit before my sister-in-law gets here and we have to go to the airport. Say hi.
Cheese, hi, Mommy.
You eat all your food?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Can you go start cleaning your room before we get you dressed?
Okay.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. This is what I'm wearing. This is from Forever 21, I want to say. The pants are from Windsor and obviously Converse. You guys go. You guys get the whole feel right here. So comfy but cute is the goal for today. So we are leaving, I think, around like 5:30. Our plane leaves and we won't arrive until 8 o'clock in New York. And then his friends are picking us up and we're going out for dinner and I think drinks. So I wanted to go on the plane today looking kind of put together and not like I just rolled out of bed, but don't be confused because on our way home I am going to be wearing some sweats, so do not be confused. But that's it. So I will check back in with you guys, I think maybe once we are in the Uber or once I'm with my sister-in-law, and I'll see you guys at the airport. That's so gonna be in it. Babe, did you get drawn? Huh? Yep. It's gonna be you and your bralette. This place is really cute though. It's my first time putting the camera on us this entire vacation.
Which it should be on us the whole time.
And you can't even see it.
I got you guys, I got you.
He's not gonna be able to see who's driving.
It's actually not that bad. People. Nothing.
Like no bird you can't see. And I'm a motherfucking PIMP.
These look nice.
Wait, you're singing without me?
Oh my God.
Wait, we gotta say it. We gotta say it.
Arriba, abajo, al centro, maestro. What do you guys just say?
2 hours later.
Is more excited. So is my left side ready? On the count of 3, we're gonna make some noise. Are you guys ready? 3,
I'm supposed to be
2, 1.
and I'm not.
Let me hear you.
I've done a very bad job.
Lizardo and Mike.
Anything like school, graduating, anything, jobs, finding a job. Jersey, we're in Tampa, like, yeah, you're making money now, you can travel and whatever, but I mean, it's gonna be tough. Because he never had a dad on his mind, and he was just full on all about safety.
Hey guys, so I know this is really random in this vlog, but I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys for a minute and kind of film an outro because obviously I just filmed a bunch of getting drunkness. Ooh, I think I forgot a hair. So I wanted to come on here for a minute and just talk to you guys a little bit. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a bunch of bull crap and a bunch of us just like partying, being stupid and having fun. But sometimes that's why it's so hard for me to vlog, because I feel like I just like to live in the moment and I don't really think about like picking up my phone and like, oh my God, let me record this moment, you know? So I feel like I always am so bad at vlogging because I forget to do that. Like it's not second nature to me. So that's why this vlog may seem like a little bit choppy or a little bit all over the place, because honestly it was just videos on my phone that I kind of just like put together into a vlog and called it a vlog. But I told you guys that I would do it, so I really just wanted to get something up for you guys. So I wanted to come on here and just apologize for it being a little all over the place and not so like movie-ish like other YouTubers do. So yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to apologize. New York was so much fun, obviously. It was just literally, it was just a good time. I never drink really, and this trip was just me kind of like letting loose and just having some fun. I'm not really like a big drinker or partier, so I'm always like the one that's like kind of chill on the corner and all that kind of stuff. So this trip was just a lot of fun for me because I kind of just got to let loose and just have fun with everybody. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know and kind of film an outro, so I'm not just like boom ending the video, because I was in the middle of editing it and I was like, dude, this vlog is so like all over the place. So that's why I wanted to come on here and just film a quick little outro. Anyways, if you guys stuck through the rest of the vlog, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I promise you, I can't promise you. I can't promise you the rest of my vlogs, or if I do vlog, won't be as bad. But other than that, let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.